In this video we will talk about formats. We have intelligent text objects and we will use a simple AutoCAD text to demonstrate how it works. We need to convert to intelligent text using that command. This intelligent text object differs from the standard AutoCAD text object in that its content can be altered dynamically using format strings. These format strings always begin with a $sign followed by 2 characters. In this example we have referred to a project setting. We also can refer the individual properties of an object, for example the diameter of a rebar object. So this text which you can see here, it is derived from a project setting, exactly from here. If we leave the mouse at the text box, we get a tooltip saying exactly what kind of text this is. And if we change the content of the text box, we can see the object updating. So object labels can be defined by the same kind of format strings. For example, this label has this kind of format string. If you want to edit this format string, we need to push this button, and from this window we can see all the different variables from which we can compose our format string. If we select one, we can see here what conditions it meets. For example, the $fi means diameter. So without going into further detail here, it is important to highlight that we can change the content of a label by using the same context menu we have shown before. So we see that we have chosen a label object which has a Ferrostab style, and we can change the properties, of course. If we choose the first option, then the dialog comes up with the rectangle, and for example we can change the color from white to yellow. But we also can change the label content, and there are 2 options. Either we want to change only this label, this instance, then we have to choose the first one, and we alter the content of the label like this. We type in some text. We can see that it has been changed. And if we choose the second option, it will change every other instance of this label. You can see here the format string belonging to a particular object. We can change this as well. And now we can see that every instance has been changed except the one we have changed before individually. You can also see here that this has been changed manually. We can set this back to default, and then it defaults back to our setting. In case of BAMTech, it works the same way. We can see that which style the object is belonging to that we have chosen, and we can modify the object defaults. And if you want to know like which expression means what, we click that button, and here we have all the information.